everybody. Welcome back. It's Monday, April 27th. We have 2 parts for your workout today. Starting off for part A, we will have 5 rounds for quality. We're going to do 10 weighted lateral box step overs. And if you do not have a box, we can perform a weighted side lunge instead. We have 20 bent rows, alternating arms, and we have a 20-second L-sit. Reminder again, that is 5 rounds of each of those movements for quality. Moving on for part B, we have a chipper. For time, we will complete 50 air squats, 40 lateral jumps, 30 burpees, 20 thruster, and then we're going to go back up the list for 30 burpee, 40 lateral jump, and 50 air squats. Good luck. We're excited to hear how you did on these workouts. Make sure you post your comments to our notes.